Have you ever wondered which programming language would be the perfect magic one to bring that idea to life? Maybe you're thinking of building the next big social media platform, a cutting-edge AI, or a jaw-dropping interactive website. You've probably heard the two big names whispered in the halls of tech: Python and JavaScript. But which one should you choose? Are you Team Snake or Team Script? Let me know in the comments which one you're currently learning or using. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate showdown: Python versus JavaScript. We're going to settle the score once and for all. Let's rewind the clock a bit. Picture the early 90s. Guido van Rossum, our Dutch programming hero, creates Python. His vision? A language that's as easy to read as plain English, emphasizing simplicity and elegance. He named it after Monty Python's Flying Circus, which tells you a lot about its fun and accessible philosophy. It started as a humble scripting language, but has since grown into a powerhouse. Now, let's jump to 1995. Netscape, the browser king of its time, needed a way to make websites more dynamic and interactive. Enter Brendan Eich, who, in a legendary 10-day sprint, created JavaScript. Initially called Mocha, then LiveScript, it was designed to run directly in the browser, bringing static web pages to life with animations, pop-ups, and all sorts of interactive goodness. So, we have Python, born from a desire for clean, readable code, and JavaScript, created out of the necessity for a more dynamic web. So, what can these two titans actually do? Let's talk capabilities. Python is the undisputed king of the backend in data science world. Think of it as the brilliant architect and engineer behind the scenes. It's the language powering Instagram's complex backend, Netflix's recommendation algorithms, and Spotify's music suggestions. With powerful libraries like Django and Flask for web development, and NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow for data analysis and machine learning, Python can handle everything from building robust web servers to training sophisticated artificial intelligence models. It's versatile, powerful, and the go-to for anything involving heavy data processing or server-side logic. On the other side of the ring, we have JavaScript, the master of the front end. If Python is the architect, JavaScript is the charismatic interior designer and entertainer, making everything look and feel amazing for the user. It runs in every modern web browser, meaning it controls virtually everything you click, see, and interact with on a website. But wait, there's more. With the advent of Node.js, JavaScript broke free from the browser and stormed the backend. Now, you can build entire applications both client-side and server-side using just JavaScript. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js dominate front-end development, enabling developers to build complex, single-page applications that feel incredibly fast and responsive. It's the language of the web, through and through. What's the scene like right now? Let's look at the current trends. Python's popularity is exploding, largely fueled by the massive boom in AI, machine learning, and big data. Companies everywhere are desperate for data scientists and AI engineers, and Python is the language they're all using. Its simple syntax makes it a favorite for beginners and academics, ensuring a constant flow of new talent into its ecosystem. The community is massive, supportive, and constantly creating new tools and libraries. It's a language that is solidly planted in the most exciting and lucrative fields in tech today. Meanwhile, JavaScript's mantra is write once, run anywhere. It's not just for websites anymore. With frameworks like React Native and NativeScript, you can build mobile apps for both iOS and Android. With Electron, you can build desktop applications like Slack and Versus Code. JavaScript is absolutely everywhere. The demand for JavaScript developers is perpetually high because every company needs a web presence, and most modern web applications are built with JavaScript frameworks. The ecosystem is incredibly dynamic and fast-paced, with new tools and updates popping up constantly. If you want to be a full-stack developer who can handle any part of an application, JavaScript is an unbeatable choice. So, what does the future hold for our two contenders? For Python, the future is incredibly bright and looks a lot like a sci-fi movie. As artificial intelligence and machine learning become even more integrated into our daily lives, Python's role will only grow. We're talking about self-driving cars, advanced medical diagnostics, and smarter personal assistants, all powered by Python. Its focus on data will keep it at the forefront of technological innovation for years to come. The future is data-driven, and Python is the language that speaks data fluently. For JavaScript, the future is about total unification and even greater ubiquity. The lines between web, mobile, and desktop applications will continue to blur, and JavaScript is the language poised to bridge all those gaps. With the rise of WebAssembly, we're seeing even more powerful, near-native performance in the browser, opening up possibilities for things like high-performance gaming and video editing right on the web. JavaScript's future is a world where a single codebase can power a seamless experience across every device you own. So, who wins? Python or JavaScript? The truth is, you do. The winner depends entirely on your goals. Want to build the next generation of AI or crunch massive datasets? Python is your champion. Dreaming of creating beautiful, interactive web and mobile experiences? JavaScript is your hero. The best part? You don't have to choose just one. Many of the best developers know both. What's most important is to just start building. Pick one, dive in, and bring your amazing ideas to life. Which one will you start with?